Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. And if you've been around for a while, you know how much we love diving deep into classic icons and modern interpretations of automotive legends. Today, we're taking a closer look at a real showstopper, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 5-window. It's a name that carries a lot of history, but this time it's not just about nostalgia. It's about a bold reinterpretation that blends heritage with cutting-edge technology in a way that's turning heads everywhere. Now, when you hear Chevy 3100, most of us immediately think of that post-war era, the original advanced design trucks from the late 40s to mid-50s. Those trucks were workhorses, built for farmers, builders, and small business owners. But over the years, they became more than just utility vehicles. They became cultural icons, synonymous with the golden age of American pickups. And the 5-window variant? That's the holy grail. It's a design detail that collectors drool over. The extra corner glass that not only improves visibility but gives the truck that unmistakable charm. Fast forward to 2026 and Chevrolet has done something bold. They've taken the DNA of the 3100 and reimagined it for a new generation. At first glance, the 2026 3100 5-window is a striking blend of retro and futuristic. The bodywork pays tribute to the classic curves and lines, but the proportions feel a bit more muscular. Lower stance, wider fenders, and those signature 5 windows that remind you exactly where this design comes from. And under the hood, that's where it gets wild. Instead of the old straight 6 or small block V8, you'll find an all-electric powertrain that's both powerful and whisper quiet. We're talking instant torque, zero emissions, and a driving experience that feels more like a performance car than a vintage pickup. But here's the thing. Chevrolet didn't just build this as an EV for the sake of it. They wanted to capture the spirit of the original 3100 while adapting it for today's world. The interior is a perfect example. You've got bench seats that look classic but are fully modern underneath, complete with sustainable materials, wireless tech, and a digital cluster that still manages to feel analog, if you know what I mean. They've kept the steering wheel simple, the shifter straightforward, but there's ambient lighting and a gorgeous touchscreen subtly integrated into the dash. It's the kind of cabin that makes you smile every time you get in, reminding you that this truck is a bridge between eras. Driving the 2026 3100 is an experience in itself. It's smooth, responsive, and surprisingly agile. The handling feels planted, thanks to the low center of gravity that comes with the battery pack. And while it's a modern machine, you still get that sense of nostalgia. Whether it's the design cues or the fact that every detail feels like a love letter to the original. Honestly, this truck is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a statement. It's about honoring the past while embracing the future. And I think Chevrolet has absolutely nailed it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the cars and trucks that matter. See you next time.